Her Excellency, Madame Florence Parly, Minister for the Armed Forces of France, Honorable Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh, Chief of Defence Staff General Vipin Rawat, distinguished members of the French delegation, dignitaries from the state government, Ministry of Defence and the Armed Forces, air warriors of the Air Force Station Ambala, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. It's a matter of great honor for me to welcome this august gathering to the formal induction ceremony of Rafale aircraft. Air Force Station Ambala, while it is the oldest station of the Indian Air Force, it would now be home to the newest aircraft of the IAF inventory. We are adding a new chapter in Ambala's and Indian Air Force's glorious history by resurrecting the golden arrows at this base, from where they will have the ability to rapidly access our areas of interest. You all have witnessed Rafale aircraft take to the skies and demonstrate some of its maneuvers and agility. The full range of missions and the capability enhancement that this aircraft brings to the Indian Air Force is far more impressive. What we see today is the result of a decisive action by the government to break the impasse in the MMRCA procurement and the prompt action by the Ministry of Defence to acquire 36 aircraft under IGA between the governments. This induction could not have happened at a more opportune time, considering the security scenario today. On behalf of the IAF, I would like to express our deep gratitude to all those who have made this complex acquisition possible and this historic day for the IAF a reality. 17th Squadron of Air Force, the Golden Arrows, are singularly blessed to be equipped with this platform. This induction has been indeed unique. After a single hop ferry across 8,300 kilometers after finishing their training from France to Ambala, the first 5 aircraft landed on 29th of July. And thereafter, the squadron has been really busy and in an overdrive to operationalize. Within this time, they have already flown and familiarized with our operational environment and have undergone intense integrated training with our other combat fleets, including firing of advanced weapons. So this formal induction ceremony today also marks the operational induction of this aircraft into the Indian Air Force. They are good to go and deliver. This timely induction would not have been possible without the active support of the French government, their Air Force and the industry. Despite the severe impact and constraints due to COVID, the industry ensured that the deliveries were not unduly delayed and the training continued. I would like to place on record our deep appreciation for the French Air Force for their support, including the tankers that they provided for a single hop long ferry in order to rapidly ferry the aircraft back home. IAF is especially grateful to Her Excellency, Madame Florence Parly, Minister for the Armed Forces of France, for her unstinted support and for taking out time to be with us here today. Thank you very much. Undoubtedly, this aircraft induction would not only give the Indian Air Force immense op capability, but would become a crucial milestone in the growth of our strategic relationship. To conclude, I would like to thank all the dignitaries and media present here today on this historic occasion. My compliments to the AOC-INC Western Air Command, AOC Ambala and their entire teams. Commanding Officer of the Golden Arrows, Group Captain Harkirat Singh and his entire team for hard work and professionalism displayed in order to operationalize this aircraft quickly. And this effort needs to continue as we bring in the balanced aircraft and the air crew and ground crew trained on the aircraft. I have no doubt that the aircraft capabilities combined with the commitment and zeal of the Golden Arrows would make a lethal combination. And I expect the Golden Arrows to intimidate and dominate whenever and wherever employed. Jai Hind.